Here are my picks for the top 10 items you need at Costco this July 2025. If this is your first time here, I do my top 10 picks every month, so make sure to hit that subscribe button and wait to the end for a bonus item. Starting us off with item number 1, Costco has just brought back this reversible sleeper sectional, so if you're moving or just looking to change up your living room, definitely check these out. Now, these things are super comfortable and are actually fully configurable, so you can lay these out and have a full bed, or you can detach this side chaise and lay this out separately for tighter space configurations. Now, as you can see, this fully lifts up so you can put some extra pillows and blankets and whatever else your couch collects. And this front part here folds back in so you can use this as your standard living room couch or pull it out and enjoy your movies. I know personally, I'd probably just leave this pulled out all the time. Now, these actually come with 2 power outlets and 2 USB ports built in and come in some very large boxes. So if you don't have a big car, definitely go down and rent a van because you're certainly going to need it. These are available right now for $999.99. Now, it is Furniture Month at Costco, so fair warning, there is going to be a lot of furniture in this video. Next up on our list is this all new 6-piece modular sectional from Thomasville. Now, as you can see, these things are kind of like a cloud couch and are completely modular, which means you can take each one of these pieces and separate them out and configure them around your living room. Now, these things are quite sizable, so I wouldn't suggest this if you have a smaller space, and they also come in some extra large boxes, 4 large boxes to be exact, which again is definitely going to require some help from some friends and a large pickup truck because you are not getting these things home. Now, Costco does offer delivery, install, and package removal if you want to order it through their website for a little bit more, but these are available in warehouse for $16.99. Now, next up is something that was absolutely loved when I showcased this on Instagram. This is the Better Furniture Del Rey Oaks Accent Console. And as you can see, it's finished in this beautiful gloss black, and it comes with soft close hinges, which means these things are built to last. Now, these are quite wide, sitting at a little over 6 feet wide, and come with plenty of storage with configurable drawers and adjustable feet to make sure this will fit into any space. I think this is a great way to modernize any living room, and they're available right now for $399.99. Next up is an absolute must-have if you're moving this summer or just trying to get that garage organized. This is Costco's SafeRacks Storage Bin Racks, and as you can see, this is a great way to organize those storage bins. These can actually fit up to 5 storage bins, which makes it so easy so you don't have to just dig in the pile and take down 3 heavy bins just to get one item from the bottom bin. Now, these are designed with 27-gallon storage bins in mind, which Costco has made sure to put out right next to these storage bin racks. These are actually on sale right now and are made out of super durable plastic to make sure they can withstand even the hardest of moves. So if you want to pick one of these up, the bins themselves are actually on sale for $1 off for $8.29, and then the racks themselves are available for $15 off, bringing it to $54.99. Now let's head back over to the furniture section to check out your new favorite living room chair. This is the Henredon Murphy Swivel Chair, and as you can see, it comes with a barrel back design to give you that super cozy feeling if you want to sit down and read a book. These are built with a durable wooden pedestal to give you 360 degrees of rotation. And yes, I know what you're wondering, these are available in 2 colors. They have this cream color as well as a dark, rich green. Now, whether you're planning on hosting or just going all out for 4th of July next year, Costco has already brought back their extra large 96-ounce Ninja Slushie Machines. These are perfect for making frozen slushies, frozen adult slushies, frappes, and even milkshakes. All you do is load your drink of choice into the top and turn this thing on. They come with a rapid chill function to get those drinks nice and slushy within 15 minutes to an hour, and include 2 16-ounce bubble cups so you can pull these out and fill them up just like you're filling up a slushie at the gas station. I already have so many fun recipes in mind, so if you want to pick one up for yourself, these are available for $329.99. Now, next up is an item that's a perfect option to upgrade those old cabinets, or maybe if you're just looking to add some spice to that living room. These are the all-new Bayside Furnishings Keeley Accent Consoles, and as you can see, these are quite big, sitting at about 6 feet wide, and are made with poplar solids in a multi-step finish. Now, these have some very unique acrylic handles and come with soft close hinges to protect that wood against wear and tear, especially if you have little kids in the house. These come in one very large box and are available right now at Costco for $4.99. Next up, I have a comparison between 2 different types of these poofs that I can't seem to decide between. First up are these Norrison jute square poofs, and these come in 2 available patterns. These are 16 inches by 16 inches and come with a much tougher texture thanks to that jute exterior that feels more like a burlap bag. Or right next to it, we have these slightly larger Norrison Home woven loop cotton poofs, which are also available in 2 colors. These are 20 inches by 20 inches and are much softer with a built-in grab handle, which might actually not be good if you have little kids in the house that like to throw things. Personally, I like the woven cotton poofs a bit more for the price, but definitely let me know which one you guys think I should get because I really can't decide. And for our last item on our list before our bonus item, check out this 25-foot link-to-home corded reel. These come with 4 grounded outlets, 1 USB Type-A port, and 1 USB Type-C port. These are of course built with overload protection and are a perfect way to clean up some loose office wiring or just a handy thing to have around the house for $25.99. And now for our bonus item, for those of you who stuck around to the end, this is my all-time favorite meal prep that I've ever seen at Costco. This is their chicken and waffles meal prep that's available right now. These come with 4 large breaded chicken breasts, along with 4 waffles, 2 packets of hot honey, and a thing of syrup, so you have everything you need for a delicious southern breakfast. Now, I grew up in the South, and I've had a really hard time finding good fried chicken out here in the Washington area, so when I saw this, I knew I had to pick one up and give it a go. Now, once you get these things home, all you do is stick them on a pan in your oven for about 25 to 30 minutes, then take your waffles separately and put them in the microwave for just about a minute. These are already cooked, so you don't need to do much to them. And I know what you're wondering, reheated waffles, yes, these are surprisingly good out of the microwave. I had low expectations for them, but they actually surprised me. Now, once those waffles finish in the microwave, you want to take them out and start assembling. I suggest putting the waffles, then your chicken, then some hot honey, and finish with the syrup. I personally suggest going heavy with the hot honey because it adds such a sweet and natural flavor to it that I really, really love. Now, on that CozyNests scale, I would give this a 9 out of 10. I really, really enjoyed this. You can just ask my wife how many times I bought this meal prep already. So if you want to pick up a kit for yourself, these are available right now for $6.99 a pound. That's going to do it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next month.